Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you guys Theia's TL1250P-IQ and their MCR600 lens motor control board. The lens we have here is a 12 to 50mm 4K motorized zoom and focus lens. It is compatible with CS mount and has a 1/1.7 inch sensor format. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing we need to do is connect the cables that come from the lens to the lens motor control board. We're going to be connecting 3 cables, which is the zoom focus, the P iris, and the IR cut. Lastly is 1 ribbon cable, which is the zoom focus limit switch. To be able to control the lens motor control board, we do need to download the control board software, and that can be found from Theia's website. Once it's downloaded and extracted, we're going to go into that directory, that folder, and we're going to go into Theia MCR IQ version 2.2.1. Once it's opened up, the first thing you're going to see is the lens family. We're going to confirm it's the TL1250P as well as the COM port. Once we're ready to go, we're going to click on Initialize and Home Motors. This will put the lens at its home positions for the zoom and the focus and the iris. So here we're inspecting a circuit board. On the current value, we're going to change it to 2000, and once we change that, you'll see that the lens zooms in. Right now, the current value of the focus is 2100. If we change it to 1000, you'll see the lens is refocusing itself. And if we need to do minor adjustments from the relative move, you can click on near or far depending where you need to go. For this example, we're going to do near, and it's going to move at increments of 100. Once again, you change the zoom to 0. It's going to go ahead and zoom in all the way you can, which is at 50mm. And once again, you're going to change the values of near and far to get that focus back up. And stepping outside, we're going to be looking at a train cart that's 1600 feet away, and we're going to showcase the lens zoom and focus capabilities. So right now we are completely zoomed in, and we're going to go ahead and zoom all the way out by changing the current value of the zoom to 3100. Next up, we're going to go ahead and click value 0, which makes it zoom in all the way in, which is 50mm. Next, since we are out of focus, we're going to go ahead and change the value. We're going to start with 5000. And then we can see we're a little off, so we're going to go ahead and change the values to, on the left hand side, to near, and then far. So we're incrementing values by 500 at this point. And then since we passed a little bit over, now we can decrease the values of the relative move by 100 to kind of get that precise focus. And once again, this train cart is 600 feet away, and we can still see a clear image. And there we have it. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to us or visit our website at lordtech.io.